Sharks and the Chillers are both getting a ton of cubes. The Chillers with a really fast selection system already have a lot of cubes in their robot. Looks like Gummy Sharks is getting some cubes in their system as well as the Chillers are lining up to score. And they lift up and they managed to get 7 cubes into that goal. Gummy Sharks knocking off some reds off the post for 35 seconds. You may now switch dragons. The Chillers getting another red cube off of that goal post. It looks like the Gummy Sharks are lining up to score. As the Gummy Sharks lift up, they get 7 cubes in that goal. The Chillers also lining up. They're going to get 4 cubes in that goal. In the last 10 seconds, we're going to see if any of these teams can get apart. The Chillers getting that last cube off of its post are getting ready to line up for the park. All right, moving back to the Spirit Field for qualification match number 70. We've got 40301B.